Today's lead code question is 4 divisors. It is a medium level question, and so let's solve it today. So in this we have given a nums array and written the sum of the divisors of the integers in that the array have exactly 4 divisors. If there is no integer in the array, return 0. So like see 21 hai. In 21 it has 4 divisors. Add all divisors. It is 32. In 4, 4 has 3 divisions, so we will not add some of its divisors, and 7 has 2 divisions. So answer is 32. Next, 21 has 4 divisions, as we have seen it earlier. 21 has again 4 divisions. Its sum is 32. So 32 plus 32 is 64. And again this, in all 5 integers of this array has not 4 divisions. So sum is 0. So let's solve it. So in this, see, first we have 21, comma 4, comma 7. Okay. Now in this, to solving the solution, first we have to find divisors of all this. Okay. As 21, we have 4 divisors, 1, comma 3, comma 7, comma 21 is 1 divisible. 21 is also divisible. Okay. For 7, it has 1, comma 2, comma 4. And for 7 it's 1 comma 7. Okay, so our answer is here. First we will find the divisors of every element of the array. Then if that element of array has divisors is equals to 4, then we will get the sum. So 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 21, which is 32. Now how we will solve this in code? We have seen the raw form. So in this we will do it like we will first add the helper function, which will return the sum if the count of divisor is 4, like int helper function. Okay, int, now in this int count equals to 2, as every count equals to 2, as each integer has at least 2 divisor, one is 1 and one is its own number, comma sum, and if their sum is equals to 1 plus n. Okay, how we will check it? Like for loop, we will start with for loop. I 2, we will start with 2, and we will do it by its square root is less than or equals to n and I plus plus. Now see, in this we are doing it by square root. So if we check divisible, like if n modulus by I is equals to 0, means it is divisible by I. Then count plus plus, okay, and sum plus equals to I. Now check here, we are doing it by square root. Okay, so if we are doing it till the square root of n, moving the loop through the square root, so we have to check here two numbers, like it's 21. 3 into 7 is 21. So we will have to 3 and 7. We have to add both in sum. Or we have to check if the both numbers are not same as 2 into 4. 2 to the 4. Now if I is not equals to n by I, then count plus plus and sum plus equals to n by I. Okay, and the loop here. Now after this now, if count is equals to 4, only then we will return the sum. Otherwise, return -1. So we will know that the number of divisors are not equals to 4. This is our helper function. Okay, this is our helper function. Now we have to check each element of the array to this helper function. Then we will have to give the sum to the question. So see, in our question, okay, we have given here the integer int of nums. Now in this int sum equals to 0, as if we got 0 number of sorry, if we got no elements of the array, count equals to divisor 4, then we will return 0. For loop auto I of nums. Now in this, if helper function of I is not equals to -1, then we will sum. Okay, store its value to somewhere else as div sum. Sum equals to my helper function I is equals to div sum. Okay, and then return sum. That's all. Let's see its code. So I already show you how to solve it. Now see, this is our question. Sum equals to 0. We go through all the elements of the array and we call for each element of the array helper function. And if helper function is not equals to -1, then we will add it in our sum and then return at last sum. Let's check helper function here. In helper function, start with count equals to 2, sum is equals to I plus n, for loop I equals to 2, and root of square of I is less than equals to n. Means I is less than equals to root of n. Now if I modulus equals to 0, then we will add this. If it is not equal, modulus and divisor is not equal, then we will add again. And if count equals to 4, which is our condition in this question, then return sum, else return -1. That's all. Let's submit it. Has been accepted. That's all for today. Its time complexity is it's O of n and of s is O of root n. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.